Okay, today's the day of the big remove. We've already done the 14 chickens that were in this cage. And now we're going to do the 18 chickens that are in this cage, which don't smell very good.
Man.
I'm putting the chickens in a box over there. Here's the box. Here's the baby that thinks it's an eagle in the box.
This doesn't work with us both on the same side.
Okay, so I have to turn around. Get on the other side. Anyway, we'll pick this video up again. There'll be video part 2 when we get them to their new home.